Prime Beast XR Gummies are being promoted as a natural way to boost energy, stamina, and overall male performance. But the real question is whether they actually improve energy or if it's just clever supplement marketing. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Supplements can sometimes support energy if they contain things like vitamins, amino acids, or stimulants. However, here's the key point. Prime Beast XR is primarily a male enhancement supplement, not a proven energy product. There are some surface positives. According to its own marketing, it aims to increase energy and reduce fatigue, improve circulation, and stamina support focus and confidence. And yes, some ingredients commonly used in these products can have mild effects on energy. That said, there are major concerns. First, no real clinical proof. There are no independent studies on Prime Beast XR itself, only general claims about ingredients. Second, misleading positioning. The product is heavily marketed for libido and sexual performance, testosterone support, not actual daily energy in a scientific sense. So, does Prime Beast XR actually boost energy? Not in a proven or reliable way. The bottom line is this. Prime Beast XR is a real supplement, but heavily overhyped and not designed as a true energy product. Any energy boost is likely mild, inconsistent, or placebo-driven. If your goal is real, consistent energy, you're better off with proven nutrients like B12 or iron if deficient. Proper sleep, diet, and exercise are established, transparent supplements. Prime Beast XR is more about marketing and positioning than measurable results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.